Electrical Champion Challenge really shows contractors the innovation that ABB is bringing to our installation products. We're not just telling them and showing them what the features are. It allows the contractors to actually use the products and actually get to experience firsthand the time savings.
Products here, they would all save us a lot of time. I like the quick connects. They were just so quick and they were easy. Definitely see myself using them.
The quick connects and the Carlon deep blue boxes, I definitely see using those a lot. Residential installing and stuff, those would be very handy.
It takes a cut-in box and a nail-on box, two separate products, and makes them into one. Sometimes we're putting a box in drywall, or sometimes you have open studs, so having that versatility is nice.
Everything on that wall is save time and labor and make more productive on the job, absolutely.
The SuperMag was nice because a lot of times you might be working on strut up above you and you're trying to hold stuff and you don't have enough hands, so if it's magnetized stays there, it just makes things easier.
It just saves so much time. You guys are trying to fumble around grabbing parts and pieces, they can stick the SuperMag right on there and go right to work.
The technology in the Smart Tool Plus that you can upload your trip results immediately is very beneficial in our industry.
Smart Tool Plus would definitely be a time-saving and a money-saving tool. On certain projects, restrictions and inspections are very strict, so that can be something incredibly useful. With that system, you're going to have less failures when you start turning power on because everything's tested right there and you know you have a good crimp.